Hello children. A type of revision for you where you will be learning the subject well through this question and answers. And from level 1 you have the first question here. Observe the diagrams given below and answer the question. Okay, so you have got a diagram of teeth children here and you have to answer according to the picture. So the teeth labeled 2 represents labeled 2 like here you can see. Okay, so which are towards the back of the front teeth. Okay, this teeth are what? What are they called as? Are they incisors? Are they canines, molars and premolars? And the answer is children, canines. So we use this teeth for tearing our food. Clear? So the answer is canines. So they are just behind this front teeth, the front 4 teeth. Okay, clear? Now the second question is match the following types of teeth in column 1 with their uses in column 2. Okay, so you have got 4 types of teeth children in column 1, like what work they do, like what is their function, that is written in column 2. So we have to match. So what do you have in column 1 children? You have incisors. So P is represented as incisors. Okay. So incisors, these are the first 4 teeth. Like I'll just show you here in this picture. The first 4, this I is nothing but incisors. Okay. So in the upper jaw you will be having 4. Again in the lower jaw you will be having 4. So totally we will be having 8 incisor teeth. Okay, these are the first 4 children. These are incisors. I'll just write IN here. Okay, so second already we have identified that they are canines. Okay, this 3 is there, no, here this 3 after the canines, that is to the backwards of canine teeth you will be having premolars. These are premolars. Okay, and at the last this 3 teeth, okay, towards the right and towards the left, so these are called as molars. So even the wisdom tooth also is included in this. Clear children? So this is what we have, this 4 type of teeth. Now we'll just identify the work, what exactly they do. Like incisors children, the first 4 teeth are used for cutting the food. Okay, cutting the food. So canines, that is Q, is used for tearing the food. Clear? And R is used for, like which one? So R, what are these R? These are premolars. No, these are used for cracking the food. And yes, at the last, molars are used for grinding the food. So this is how they work children. So what is the sequence for us? So P is for 4, P is for 3, and then Q is for 4, then R is for cracking, that is 2, and molars are for 1. No, that is S is for 1. So let us see how they match with our options. Yes, so you have the option at the last. See here children, D option, P3, Q4, R2 and S1. So this is the right answer. Okay. Now the third one, an adult has dash teeth. An adult has dash teeth. Adult, a grown up person. How many teeth do they have? They get all complete set of teeth. Okay, so that is 32. D is the correct answer. Clear children? Now, the fourth one, Fatima is a 14-year-old girl. How many teeth is she likely to have? So Fatima, one of your friend, is of 14-year-old girl. So at 14 years, how many teeth is a boy or a girl do have? So is it 20, 14, 28 or 32? And the answer is children 28. So 14-year girl, still she has to, or a boy or a girl still they have to get 4 more teeth by the time they become an adult. Okay, clear? Now, fifth one, which of the following is a soft material of a tooth? Which of the following is a soft material of a tooth? So, is it dentine, pulp, enamel, or root? And the answer is pulp. So, these are like a blood vessels. We have already learnt about this. So, this pulp is nothing but like a blood vessels. So, which are very soft. Okay. So, these are going to form on the jaws of our teeth. So, B is the correct answer, children. Clear? Now, sixth question. Ramu took a glass of milk and poured 2 teaspoonful of buttermilk in it at night. So, in the morning, he obtained curd. Which of the following has helped in changing milk into curd? So, every day at our homes, mother will do this process to get the curd, to have curd. No, what does the options are protozoa, fungi, bacteria, and viruses. So the answer is bacteria. Okay, so this bacteria is going to help in changing milk into curd. Okay, children. The seventh question. The outer portion of the tooth above the gum is called. The outer portion of the tooth above the gum is called what? Is it the crown? Is it the root, the enamel, or the pulp? And the answer is the crown. Okay, children, we call it as crown. What is this? This is the outer portion of the tooth above the gum. Now, the next question. In a tooth, blood vessels and nerves are present in the dash. In a tooth, blood vessels and nerves. So, where are they present? In the crown, pulp, root, or enamel? And the answer is pulp, children. B is the correct answer. Ninth question. The number of molars in each jaw is. The number of molars in each jaw is. Okay. So, is it 4, 2, 1 and 6? And the answer is 6, children. To the left it will be 3 and to the right it is 3 in one jaw. So, totally it is 6. Okay, children, clear? Now, if you combine both the jaws, like above upper jaw and lower jaw, then total figure is 12, because we are talking about only one jaw. Okay, it may be a upper jaw or a lower jaw. Suppose if this is the lower jaw, so you will be having 3 here and 3 here. So only 6 you will be having. Clear? Now, the next question, children. Raju buried a dead rat under the soil. When he dug up 1 year later, he found that it had decayed and decomposed. Which of the following is responsible for the decay? So what happened? So Raju, he buried a dead rat. No, the rat which was dead, he buried it under the soil. So after 1 year, so what he found was it had decayed and decomposed. In the sense, the body remains of the rat has been mixed up with the soil. It has been mixed up with the soil. Okay, so this is called as decomposed. No, so which of the following is responsible for this decay? No, after getting it, after the death of the rat, when it is buried in the soil, so it takes some time to get decayed and then decomposed. So what is going to be responsible for this decay? Is it bacteria, virus, sand, or protozoa? So the answer is bacteria, children. Clear? Now, the next question. The harmful soft sticky layer formed on the tooth is called. The harmful soft sticky layer which is formed on the tooth. What is it called as? Is it called as enamel, plaque, dentin, or pulp? So it is called as plague. Clear children? Now, the next question, 12th one, fill in the blank. Sugar plus plague is like what we are going to get from that. Okay, so that what we are going to get from these two materials is starch, enamel, acids or microbes, and the answer is acids children. So because that is why it is very harmful for our tooth, because acid is very dangerous, no? So C is the answer. 13th question children, wisdom teeth appear at the age between. Wisdom teeth, okay, we will not get the wisdom teeth by birth, it is going to appear at a certain age. Okay, so when is that? Is it between 12 to 13 years, 2 to 3 years, 13 to 16 years, or 20 to 25 years? And the answer is 13 to 16 years. So C is the correct answer. Clear children? Now 14th question, the number of wisdom teeth are. The number of wisdom teeth are. So how many are there? 1, 2, 6 or 4. So we'll be having 2. Okay. So wisdom tooth 2. Now 15th question, smallpox is caused by. Smallpox, okay, this is one type of disease children, a sickness. So this is called by what? Bacteria, fungi, protozoa or virus, and it is because of virus. Okay children, so D is the correct answer. Now 16th question, which of the following help baking bread and in the making of wine? So which of the following help in baking the bread and in making of wine? So is it bacteria, viruses, protozoa or fungi? And the answer is fungi. Okay children, the answer is fungi, which is going to help in baking the bread and making of the wine. Clear? 17th question, which of the following is not a microbe? Which of the following is not a microbe? Is it bacteria, fungi, plague or protozoa? And the answer is plague. This is not a microbe. Clear? Now 18th question, which of these get damaged by the action of the acid that is produced in the reaction between plague and sugar? Okay, so which of these get damaged? So here you are having 4 options children, like tooth, bones, mouth and stomach. So which of these are going to get damaged by the action of the acid? So when is this acid produced? When there is a reaction between plague and sugar. No. So when this is there, so acid is going to be produced. And because of that, which option is going to get damaged? Is it tooth, bones, mouth or stomach? And the answer is tooth children. Clear? Now 19th question, teeth begin to appear at the age of. So teeth. So when do we get teeth? The starting of teeth. Okay, for a born baby, when do teeth start growing? Okay, is it for 2 months, when the baby is of 2 months, 2 years, 6 months or 6 years? And the answer is 6 months. Clear children? Now 20th question, dash hold our teeth in place. Dash hold our teeth in place. Is it enamel, gums, dentin or plaque? So what is that? So it is gums. So gums hold our teeth in place. Clear children? Now 21st question, which of the following teeth helps to tear food? So incisors, premolars, molars and canines. Which is going to help us to tear the food children? It is canines. Okay. Now 22nd question, Observe the structure of a tooth given below. Identify the part labeled X in the given figure. See here, this part is labeled as, okay, this part is labeled as X. So what is that part? Is it enamel, dentin, pulp or crown? And it is dentin. Clear children? And it is dentin. So we have learned that like yellowish color. No. So which is in yellowish color, that is known as dentin. Now the 23rd question. Which of the following is a viral disease? Viral disease. So which is going to spread to others. Like is it typhoid, influenza, tuberculosis or cholera? Okay. And the answer is influenza. Okay children, viral diseases, what happens? They are going to spread from person to person. No? Like 24th question. Which of the following methods is most suitable to kill tiny microbes or germs and to remove the fall odor of pillows and beddings? Okay. So you will be having some type of odor is nothing but the smell children on pillows and beddings, because we are not going to wash the pillows or beddings. We'll wash the pillow covers, we'll wash the bed covers, bed sheets and all that, but the pillow and the beddings we are not going to wash them. So after many days of usage, what happens? You will get a fall odor, fall smell. Okay, so which of the methods is most suitable to kill tiny microbes or germs and to remove this fall odor? So to remove this fall odor and also to kill tiny microbes and germs, you will be having very small microbes and germs on that. So which is going to be the best method to kill these germs and to remove the smell? So is it spraying perfume on them, exposing them to sunlight, soaking them in water or burning them? So the best method is exposing them to sunlight. So you might have observed, so when there is hot sun children, sometimes our mothers are going to put the beds or some type of pillows or some type of very thick clothes in the sun. No, like even thick bed sheets or all this. Why? So that because of the sun rays, so if there are any tiny germs, they are going to be killed. And if there is a smell, even that is going to be vanished. Okay, so this is the best method to protect our things from these germs. Clear children? Exposing them to sunlight. Now the last question for today children. Which of the following devices is or are being used by scientists to observe microbes? So microbes are very small tiny creatures, no, so we cannot see them directly, but if you want to see them and study about them, what scientists do is they are going to use one particular device. Okay, so which is that device where the scientists use to observe the microbes? Is it microscope, bioscope or telescope? Okay, and the answer is the microscope. Only one. That is only microscope. So through this they are going to observe, see and study about these microbes. Clear children? So this is what we have learnt in today's session. So we'll be